In this video I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP and Y6152E all-in-one printer. Switch on your printer and lift this from here. The ink chamber will move and come into the position. Press the ink cartridge down and then take it out. So this will unlock the ink cartridge. Take your new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging and install them one by one. Place it here and push it in. Very easy to install. You just have to place here and push, and then you just have to close the ink chamber. If you want to check the estimated level of ink, click on the supplies and it will give you the details. That's the way we can replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.